Welcome to another episode of Outta TangMup here, and today we have the Nike Element React 87s. Since its announcement, these shoes have gained a lot of hype and anticipation. Some people are even calling it sneaker of the year. Now, let's see if it deserves that title. Many layers that set this shoe apart, but the sole is unlike any other on the market. The wavy arc and outsole are pressure mapped for the foot. It's got a trainer look with lifestyle appeal, but you definitely gotta step up your socking when you're wearing these, because with the translucent upper and tongue right here, you can pretty much see everything underneath. Let's see what these look like with design socks. Got some Nike ankle socks right here. Some blue. Man, definitely gives it a different look. Feeling it. And then we got some Mokiyobi white with a blue toe cap. Man, I can see people getting real creative with the socks on these. Alright, there's a huge difference depending on what kind of socks you rock with these. Here's white. Here's black. Initially, I thought the Reacts would be more similar to a Boost, but it's definitely completely different. It's got more of a firm, spring-like feel versus where Boost is more like a sink into your pillow type feeling. As far as sizing goes, stay true to size. I would say I went half a size up, and there's a small little gap between my toe and the top of the shoe. The one thing I don't like about this shoe is the tongue. It definitely gets all wrinkled up when you try to lace them up. So you gotta adjust it if you want the cleaner, streamlined look. Translucent upper. It seems durable, but it feels like it might rip easily. I've had some fused jackets before by Nike, and over time this stitching right here, or the fusion right here, start peeling off. These retail at $160. Pretty decent considering you're getting so many materials. You're getting suede, leather, 3M, even a cork insole, and the React Tech. Even though these are not technically a running shoe, definitely feels like a Nike Free. Gives you that nice bounce back, kind of low to the ground. So is this sneaker of the year worthy? For non-retros, I would put the sales in the top slot. They look really clean on feet. I can see why people are really putting this shoe on a pedestal. As far as the resale market goes, these are gonna stay high up, especially the sale color. I don't see that dropping down anytime soon. But with so many colors coming out, you know, I will hold out for a little bit. Alright guys, that concludes my initial review of the Nike React Elements. Let me know what you think. Let me know you guys trying to cop. I would say overall I'm waiting for the burgundy undercover pair. That's probably the best one, has the most pop. I like the way the undercover changed up the soles too.